Today, we have patient from our neighbor country, Singapore. He started having a receding hairline in his 20s and he is classified as male pattern hair loss level 2. And since then, he has dreamed of lowering his hairline, and most importantly, he wanted to see a permanent result. He came to Glojas and we advised him to take on a SMART FUE procedure, and he was impressed with all the successful cases before him. Surgical planning is vital in SMART FUE to achieve the most natural hairline results and at the same time to avoid a doll-like appearance. Let's have a look on his day 5 results in SMART FUE.